run you straight from the path we were on. You've got no magic left, you're a pawn. Dating a mudblood just to feel strong, but you're weaker now, man, you're so wrong.
Everything you just saw in the video, the visuals, the music, even the little details was created entirely with AI. Crazy, right? So here I am sitting in front of my laptop, diving deep into the world of AI tools, and I end up making this awesome Harry Potter rap video using completely free AI tools. Take a look at this video. It has more than 2.5 million views and it is completely generated with AI. To be honest, I don't even think it's that good, yet somehow it racked up millions of views. That got me thinking, if an average AI generated music video can pull in that kind of audience, what would happen with one that's actually better? So I kept digging and scrolling through YouTube for hours looking for more AI driven music videos in this niche. And you know what? I barely found anything that stood out. It's like this whole niche is a blank canvas just waiting for someone to come in and create something amazing. Imagine the potential here, an untapped gold mine for viral content. So if you're looking to dive in and create AI powered music videos that people can't help but watch, this is your moment. The opportunity is wide open and you could be the one to make it go viral. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create awesome music videos like this using only free AI tools. I will try to keep it as detailed as possible and will also include links to the tools I'm using in the description. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. We will do this in 6 simple steps. Step 1. Selecting a topic. This part is completely up to you. You can choose any topic you like. It could be romantic, funny, serious, etc. For this video, I'm going to make a diss track on Ron Weasley from Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a very popular movie and this is probably going to be the world's first AI Harry Potter diss track. Step 2. Generating the music. Now this is the most important part of the video. If you have a good song, then 50% of the job is already done. To generate the music, we will use a free AI music generator called Suno. This is by far the best AI music generator available right now, and it can also generate realistic vocals with the music, which is just awesome. To get started, click on the link in the description and sign up for Suno using your email ID, and Suno will give you 50 free credits to generate music. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, click on create, and here we need to give it a prompt. I have given it this prompt to generate the music that I want. Don't worry, I will put this prompt in the description and you can tweak it to generate the music for your videos. After that, make sure that the instrumental option is turned off. Then click on create and let the AI do its magic. You don't need to worry about the lyrics. Suno creates the lyrics and vocals automatically, and most of the time it's great. If you want to put in your own lyrics, you can click on this custom button, then put your lyrics here and generate the music. And this is the output. Now let's play one of them and see how it sounds.
You run you straight from the path we were on. You've got no magic left, you're a pawn.
Wasn't that just awesome? It is honestly amazing what AI can do these days. Now, to download the music, click on these 3 dots, then download, and you're done. Step 3. Generating images. Now, if you want to make your videos look good, then you should have great images, because without good images, you won't be able to generate great videos. We will be generating the images using Flux. Honestly, this is the only AI image generator that provides mid-journey level quality right now, and in some cases, it even performs better than mid-journey, and the best part is you can use it for free. Now, there are various platforms where you can generate images using Flux 1.1 Pro. For this video, we'll be using Segmind. To get started, just click on the link in the description, then sign up using your email ID. After that, they will give you $1 worth of free credit to generate images, which is more than enough for the images we need. But if that's not enough, simply create a different account with a different email and you will get another $1 credit. Now here is the interface to generate the images. You can see it's pretty simple. This is the prompt section where we need to write our prompt. After using Flux for a while, I found that it performs better with simple prompts. So I have given it this very simple prompt on my own. Next, click on advanced parameters, then change the aspect ratio to 9:16 from here and set the output quality to 100. After that, you don't need to adjust anything else. Just click on generate and let the AI work its magic. And here is the output. You can see how awesome this image looks. It's really high quality. Just look at the details. It truly looks like a scene from a movie. Honestly, if you showed this image to someone, they wouldn't even realize it was AI generated. It is that good. Now, let's try one more. This time, I'm going to use this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. This is absolutely amazing. Trust me, you won't be able to generate images like this for free anywhere else. Now, you just need to repeat this step to generate all the images. Step 4. Generating videos. This is one of the most important parts because if you can create great videos, your chances of going viral are much higher. To turn the images into videos, we will use a free tool called Minimax AI. It is hands down the best AI video video generator I have ever used. I've already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool to create amazing videos, so feel free to check that out. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email ID. After signing up, you will get 3 days of unlimited free video generation. After that, there will be some limits, but it will still be free. Now, according to reports, this 3-day unlimited feature might end very soon, so make sure you sign up as soon as possible. I will put the link in the description. Now, to generate the video, first upload the image that we generated by clicking here, then enter a prompt. I'll give it a simple prompt like this and hit generate. And this is the output. Just look at the result. It looks amazing. There is no weird morphing and everything looks so smooth and real. I have used multiple AI video generators, but trust me, you won't get results like this from any other AI video generator. Let's do one more. This time I'm using this image and I'll give it this prompt, then hit generate. And here's the result. This is so amazing. Now you need to repeat this step until you have generated all the videos required for the trailer. You can queue up to 3 tasks to speed up the process. I know the generator might be a bit slow due to high demand, but hey, it's free, so no complaints. And if you want faster results without watermarks, you can consider purchasing their subscription. Step 5. Lip syncing. Now, this part is not mandatory, but if you want to do it, it could add extra charm to the music video. To do the lip sync, we will use a tool called Sync. I have been using this tool for a while and it's completely free. But before that, you need to listen to the music and choose which parts of the music you want to lip sync. Once you have decided, open Capcut and add the audio file into the timeline. Next, carefully cut out the part of the song that you want to lip sync and delete the rest of it. Next, click on export and uncheck the video option. Check the audio option and hit export. This will only export the audio. Next, click on the link in the description to open Sync and sign up using your email ID. Then upload the video that you want to lip sync here. Upload the audio file by clicking here and hit generate. And this is the output. You can see it has done a decent job. Now, if it was only vocals without any beats, it would have performed better, but we can work with this. Now, repeat this step to lip sync all the parts that you want. Step 6. Editing the video. We'll use Capcut for editing because it's free and easy to use. If you're in India, you can use Proton VPN, which is free for life, to access Capcut. I'll put the link in the description. First, open Capcut and import all your video clips and the music here. Next, drag and drop the music into the timeline. After that, drag and drop all the video clips into the timeline one by one, making sure they're in the right order according to the music. This step is very important, so make sure you do it right. Now, for the duration of each scene, I am doing it in sync with the music and the lyrics. And now let's add some transitions to make it look more professional. To add a transition, go to the transition tab and look for a transition that you like. I am adding this black fade transition, and from here you can also change the duration of the transition. Now I want to make this transition more interesting, so let's add an effect to enhance it. To do that, go to the effects tab and look for the negative graffiti effect, then drag and drop it into the timeline and adjust its length according to the transition. This will give a cool graffiti effect like this. Now when the beat drops, I want to add a shake effect. So again, go to effects, look for the shake effect, then drag and drop it into the timeline and adjust the position and length according to the beat. And now I'll use a combination of effect and transitions and apply them throughout the clips. You don't need to add transitions or effects on every single clip. Just add them whenever you feel like it and make sure they are according to the theme of the music. Don't overdo it. Now it's time to add some text during the intro parts of the video. To do that, go to the text tab and drag and drop a new text layer into the timeline. I want to show a text during the intro scene, so I will adjust the length and position. Then from here, I will add this text, change the font from here and adjust the size accordingly. Next, select the clip, then right click and select create compound clip. Next, make sure the text layer is selected, then go to animation, and for the in animation, select fade in, and for the out animation, select fade out. Then from this section, I will increase the duration of the in animation to 1.2 seconds for a smoother flow. Next, I will use this exact same method to add some text during different parts of the video. And now we will add some filters to make the visuals more cinematic. First, go to the filters tab and look for the clear 2 filter. Then drag and drop it into the timeline. Then adjust the length of it to match the entire video and change the filter intensity to about 75% from here. Next, go to the movie section from here and look for a movie filter that looks nice. I'm going to use this one, so I'll add it to the timeline, then adjust the length and change the intensity to 35%. This will give your video a more professional look. And finally, our rap music video is ready. Now all you need to do is click on this export button and export the video. Now let's play it to see the final result.
You're wrong, you're straight from the path we were on. You've got no magic left, you're a pawn. Dating a mudblood just to feel strong. But you're weaker now, man, you're so wrong. Thought you were loyal to betrayed by my mate, yeah, it's a shame. Thought you had honor, but you're just a name. Caught in the fame, but it's all a game. Loyalty lost, you've got no claim. Hermione's got you wrapped up in chains. No love to spells, causing pace. Your courage falling like London rains. Lost your way in this twisted maze. Remember the days we fought side by side. Now you're lost in a dark ride. No more trust in you, nowhere to hide. Friendship's gone with the changing tide. Redhead wonder turned to a defeat.
Wasn't that absolutely amazing? I was able to create this in just a few minutes using AI for free. Now imagine the kind of content you can create with a little more effort and creativity. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.